So today I'm making some hot wings with MAHI Wings Marinade with a side of some sweet potato fries. I'm going to start off with 5 chicken wings, which I'm going to lightly pierce with a kitchen knife. I'm going to add a tiny bit of sea salt and then go for this wonderful marinade. 5 teaspoons. I'm going to mix it all up with my hands and pop it on a tray. I have some tin foil on this tray and I've preheated the oven. So I'm going to pop my wings in the oven, and in about 20 minutes I'm going to come back and put some more marinade. Okay, so I'm going to throw some of these sweet potato fries in the hot oil. Be very careful and leave them to fry. So I have chopped some sweet peppers, and then I'm going to chop some garlic, some chili. Again, if you have a sensitive palate, you can maybe just put a tiny bit in or leave it out. And then squeeze in some lemon along with a tiny bit of coriander just to get more yummy freshness in there. And these are ready. Okay, let's see how the wings are doing. Ooh, hot. Oh, smells lovely. A few more spoonfuls of this lovely marinade. And pop them back in for another 20 minutes. Made by MAHI with love.